If you plan to use a fireplace or wood stove for emergency heating, make sure to have your chimney or flue inspected and cleaned each year. If using a fireplace or kerosene heater, install a smoke detector and battery-operated carbon monoxide detector near the area. Test monthly and replace your batteries twice a year.
Because during the winter months, when you're operating kerosene heaters, portable heaters, and fireplaces, sometimes carbon monoxide may emit from some of these devices. Every spring and every fall, you want to make sure that the batteries have been replaced and that these systems are actually functioning and working properly. People should not place space heaters, for example, next to their beds. You have materials on your bed, blankets and so forth, that are flammable materials. So you want to make sure that there's a good 3 feet spacing between whatever heating device you have and any combustible. When you're taking a look at kerosene heaters, obviously the location where you place it is going to be important. You want to make sure that the kerosene heater is a way that's in a location that's ventilated, and you want to make sure that the kerosene fuel is the proper fuel. Some people may have a tendency to want to use gasoline or other items, but you want to make sure it's definitely kerosene. In regards to fireplaces, you want to make sure that there is a screen or a glass covered facing on the fireplace entrance to make sure that the sparks aren't flying, to create an ignition source in itself. And the same thing for wood burn stoves. You want to make sure that its location is in a place where the sparks aren't flying and that even the wood burn stove as well as the fireplace is being serviced on an annual basis by a chimney sweeper, an authorized company who specializes in that.